Hey, welcome back. Today is December 10th, Thursday, and on this post, I'll be doing a very quick recap on Yearn Finance, YFIUSD, see what has changed since yesterday's post. I'll be telling you my today's bullish and bearish case scenario, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks now instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on with Yearn Finance. One thing I do want to mention on top of everything else would be to keep an eye out on Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin price action. They could have a very significant effect on the altcoin market right now. Bitcoin price action is at the possible breaking point between what it is right now, about 18.3K. I think if it does not get back on top of the 12-hour 50 simple moving average, it could drop to as low as the 4-hour 200 simple moving average, which is currently at about 17.7K right now. Okay, so that is what I'm looking out for. If that pulls back, altcoins most likely would pull back with it. Now let's take a look into Yearn Finance, see what exactly has changed since yesterday. Yesterday, I did mention that the bullish case scenario was for the price action to get back on top of the daily 21 simple moving average. That has been the signal line between this downtrend right here since September and the reversal. So getting back on top of it was significant in showing that this is continuing on a bullish trend. Now we are right underneath it. The blue line right here, the daily 21 simple moving average, is currently at about 25.8K. We are well below that right now. Let's see if we get any kind of bullish strength to actually get back on top of this key resistance and continue upwards. If it actually does continue upwards, I still do see a possible rising wedge pattern forming, and I believe the next swing up would be at least about 33K. So if we can actually get a swing up here and actually recognize that this is the swing low and actually go up from here, I could expect a price target of about 33K for this swing. Now, that may or may not be reached. There is still quite a bit of resistance that was previous support, including the 25K range and the 30K range. Okay, these two fib levels right here. Now, let's also take a look into what are acting as what could be acting as support right below us. We are now right underneath the 50 simple moving average on the 12-hour time frame as well, which has been the support for that very sharp drop about 2 days ago, okay, where it took us down to about 23K. That was the key support, and now we are well below that support again. Previous support, now resistance. Now, the main support I am looking at now, since we are just right above the bottom trend line right here, is right underneath us, which is the 4-hour 200 moving average, currently about 23K. Okay, that is upward sloping, and we have about 1 more hour until this candle closes, where I do expect this to come up even more. I don't think that is going to invalidate this rising wedge pattern, so that is at least one good sign that this may not break. I am leaning towards the price action not breaking, of course, because of this support right here. But we all have to see how the price action is acting at the support, namely if we actually do get enough bullish bounce at this moving average right here. Okay, so let's explore the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today with that market update. So the bullish case scenario will obviously for us to still get back on top of this daily 21 simple moving average and still continuing to range within this rising wedge pattern. Further, okay, the bullish case scenario number 2, which would probably apply for the next few days, will obviously for if the price action can negate this rising wedge pattern. Rising wedges are bearish patterns. Okay, if we can actually break above this top trend line, this tells me that the price action here would have broken through this bearish pattern. Now that is the further bullish case scenario that could be mentioned in the next upcoming a few days, at least for my updates. Okay. Now the bearish case scenario, if the price action continues falling and if it actually breaks this 4-hour 200 moving average, okay, that would not be good. And I think the next level of support after this moving average would be, let's check. This is about 23.2K. Let's see if what is the next level of support below that. I believe would be the 6-hour 200 moving average, but that is well below the 20K fib level. So let's see if we have anything else. We do have the 12-hour 200 simple moving average at about 22K. The daily 50 is still right beneath the 20K level. The 20K level is still key support. If there are anything between now and then. So we do have the 12-hour 200 right beneath the 4-hour 200, and then finally the 20K key support level that I'm looking for if there are any buyers there to actually buy the price back up. Okay, so that is my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. I hope you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. And I hope you guys manage your risk carefully. If you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.